down the road. And that's where the internal combustion. So there are our far northern crew, and this is the famous 500 winner. We saw the automobile in 1900. We saw
The 30s was really unusual. Variety of his homes and driving. You might have seen it on the site. And this is a car in the Phantom series.
these cars you're looking at here, like these Rolls-Royces. The Silver Ghost is built just. Next up is a pot. They want to get a new.
With a parade boot. So you see this Eldorado 59, the size of these
Sports car. So they were competing against the Corvette.
heavy. And it's 1958.
With you.
Expensive stickers. Look at them all.
Construction of an old car, right?
We're going to bring up some Porsches now in 1 year. But this is where they take an ordinary car. But really, the stalwart, we're beginning to see what people are doing and kind of take. Yes. Here we go again. So let's talk. And as I said before, this is our featured car for this year. So they're all right here today. And many of us are going to leave tomorrow after the awards banquet and all go together up to Naples and spend the night at the Ritz-Carlton and then drive across to Immokalee, Florida,